There is no shortcut. To become a trader, you have to go through the pain. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and stay with me. Chart analysis skills alone are not enough to succeed. You also need to pay serious attention to your psychology and emotions. For example, sudden market moves or getting close to your stop loss can make you forget that losses are part of the game, that you had already accepted that risk before entering the trade. This can cause confusion, fear, and maybe unpleasant emotions, leading you to break your own rules and take even bigger losses. One solution is journaling and reviewing your trade history, which we will go through step by step starting next week. Don't forget to subscribe and follow so you don't miss the upcoming parts.